So in this video, we're going to show you how to service your PTO clutch on the front of your Ventrac. We're going to do that by resetting the air gap in between the clutch plates. We need a feeler gauge set to 20 thou, and we need a 9/16 spanner. So to reset the air gap on our clutch, there's 3 locations we need to do this. One on the top, one on the bottom, and one round the left side. You see I've already removed the bonnet. We have got a video on how to remove the bonnet. I've already removed the B38 belt. There's also a video on how to do that on our channel. Basically, it's 3 adjusters. So 1, 2, 3. Use a 9/16 spanner to tighten the nut up against the spring. And then we're going to use our feeler gauge in the gap to check the gap. And then we're actually going to feel the distance in between the clutch plate and where it drives from. So you'll feel a slight pinch on the feeler gauge, and that's how you know that it's at the right distance. You need to do that on all 3 sides, and then it's all set. So just to make it easier, we've removed the clutch so you can get a better look at what it is that we're actually adjusting. So you'll see this slotted hole here. The feeler gauge goes in that slot, and you adjust it just on that spring and that nut there. The same on the top and the bottom. And once you've adjusted all 3 sides, it takes a little bit of getting right, because you just need to make sure you keep checking them as you're going around. Once one's done and you move the next one, it could then readjust the one that you've just done. So you need to keep making sure you go all the way around. Nice same gap, 20 thou all the way around, and that's it. So as per the book, we should check this gap once annually. If you've got problems with your machine dropping in and out intermittently with the clutch, that's probably what this is. So the reason for that is the air gap gets too large, the magnet can no longer hold on to the clutch, and then it'll just release.